Good evening, YouTube. Box Fan Willie here with a hold on a minute, with an Eskimo 20137 20-inch box fan. I've got like 4 or 5 of these in my collection. So the reason I'm doing this video is because somebody's interested in it for a trade. Zach the Fan Man 76. This may be going to him. So I'm doing this video so he can see what he's getting. This is made by McGraw Edison in Boonville, Missouri. It's a 2-speed, and like I say, it's a little rough around the edges, but it's a great project fan, or shop fan, or whatever. Anyway, let's go through the speeds. One thing about it, even though it's kind of rough condition, the bottom's not all rusted out like a lot of box fans are. It's rated for 2.2. It's drawing 2.49, which isn't bad, but for some reason, a lot of these McGraw fans are they always pull more than what the ratings show. But it's not bad though, it's still good. And there's low. Alright, let's turn it around here so we can do the startup sound. And now low speed. The bearings seem pretty good. Might need a little oil. This fan here has not run in a while. So here it is, Eskimo 20137 20-inch box fan. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe.